a typical Igbo man who understands Igbo does not fear death. Are you with me?
I'm with you.
Because you know why? He does not fear dying. He does not fear, you understand, the concept of dying, because he knows that he will transition. You understand? And come back through reincarnation. So if he did any bad, he knows that he's coming back to repeat in another form, but he must pay. He must pay. Are you with me?
I'm with you.
The same people that, as in, you are a murderer. You must have that concept. So the Igbo mind does not have hell or heaven. He believes that his hell is here, that whichever thing that he does, that he will reap. We believe in karma. You understand?
Yes.
We believe in it. So that it is your action. So that's why we must take care of the land. In Igbo tradition, in Igbo traditional beliefs, we are hygienic. So there is law for every facet of our endeavor. There are laws that covers it all. The way we marry, how to treat our male children, even the law of sharing ratio. When things are to be shared, how is to be shared. The law of farming, agriculture. When you plant, the time to harvest, the time to reap. When you are harvesting, you must leave some things. As in, you understand?
Yeah.
There are things you leave, and any person that enters into that farm after your harvest can take whichever thing that is left there for himself and feed his family. Maybe that is somebody that does not have land.
Okay, that was what they were doing before.
Yes, that is this is our system. It's a natural something. We did not. It is this same our ancestors, our forefathers, our forebearers, those who has lived thousands of years before us. That is how they formed it. That is how it happened. That is why in every Igbo, anywhere that I tell you, you have been traveling with me.
Yeah.
You have been going around with me. You have been everywhere we went to. Do we see a Kegoria for Anamko?
Yes.
Do we see that market?
Yes.
That is who they use it. Abara, IGBO kiki. Abara, IGBO kiki. We call it Abara. So but this our age, we fear it. Abara, evil. But Abara, IGBO kiki, because in every establishment in every Igbo establishment, there is a decree which they do with Ofo, and they gather the Ofo holders, you understand? Yeah. Which are majorly the Obaras, you understand? Yes. The head of the clan, which is the oldest person. So when an older person is having an Ofo, and the other older people are having their Ofo, and they come and they decree that because they have agreed. That is why the Igbo is a Republican. The Igbo man is what? A Republican by nature. We are born into republicanism. That we must agree. That is why it is difficult for you to impose, you understand? Rules, or a king, or somebody that is of power, that you come and bow. That is why our neighbors misunderstand. People that does not understand this, they misunderstand it. The reason why the Igbo man said that he does not bow, because we must agree. You are a man. You understand? The only thing that can be different is that your age. And that your age, you must have seen year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4. You know experience. You have experience. Are you with me?
Yes.
That is the Igbo for you. So the problem with my people, we are not trying to understand. Once we understand it this way, once we understand why we are Igbo, how the Igbo lives, we can be able to connect the dots. We can be able to bring every person in a table, and we begin to use that which binds us. Is for the people that does not understand these things to begin to understand. You must understand yourself. You do not demonize yourself. You do not ostracize yourself. You do not cut off your nose to spite your face. You don't do that. You must, no matter how ugly you feel you are, you must face the mirror and begin to talk to yourself. You understand?
Yes.
Do what God do. Yeah? You must understand who you are. You must understand where you are coming from. You must. Don't run away from me. Don't shy away from me. Don't threaten yourself out of it. The Ozo title was demonized in order to destroy the land. Because, like I said in the beginning, these are the people that are not, they don't lie. They are not supposed to lie. So every truth that every history of that land, of that place, they have it, they know it, and they will tell it. But during the Christian incursion, they demonized this particular group in our society. They messed them up. They killed them. Some were beheaded, and their children threatened to be ostracized, because then the British, let me tell you how the British came. The British came with religion and army, military, you get? And trade. Ones that stand as they are trading something, the other ones are standing to receive your soul and give you new life in heaven, where you now focus on heaven and forget your land so that they can take it. Now the other ones are the army. The army was brutal. The army had guns. The army was decimating, especially they started from Aro, but they faced resistance. So Igbos are one of the people, one of the race that resisted. Others conformed because of what? Rulership, because of kingship. So when the British went to the king and convinced the king bows, and the people bows to the British. You get?
Yes.
But the Igbo man, like I said, does not bow. You must bring that matter. Let's deliberate it. Our opera nigga, you know?
Who is the senior man?
The senior man, yes. Opera, some call it opera, some call it opera, some call it opala. You understand? Yeah. Opaluku, the big opera. You understand?
Opaluku.
Who? Yes, Opaluku.
Ukwane.
Yes.
Call it
Opaluku. Opaluku. Yeah. The big opera. Comes, you understand, he must come to that meeting. They will agree. They had the most eldest, there must be eldest. Yeah?
Yes.
Who is the Opaluku? Will now bring that matter. They will deliberate it. These Opalas will now deliberate. And they will agree. Okay, and when they agree, they will now bind it and make a decree. If it is something they want everybody to do, they must have agreed, because this Opaluku from this Omo something knows the peculiar nature of his people and their needs. He will bring it. This other one knows the peculiar nature of their people and their needs. They will bring it to the table. This one, that is how. And they will agree based on what is better for them, for their people, not for the upper logo that is there. Are you with me?
Yeah.
And they will agree. And they will now take it home and say they have agreed. And before they will now decree it with their offer. Everybody has his own offer. If the offer is not complete, it will not be a decree. The offer must be complete. Then that would be a law in the land. So not like one person being somewhere and commanding, my subjects will do this. Hey, everybody, okay, and they have agreed. They have taken it. It is for the interest of the king. Are you with me? The ruler.
Not the people.
Yes, for the people. And so now you see why the Igbo man is unique. So that is where. So the formation, the ancient formation of these markets were all decrees. You understand? Because Igbo has they are civilization, oldest civilization, the cradle of all humanity. This is where it started. Nobody is willing. People that knows it are not willing to tell this truth, and that is why you see us. We are not. It is not by making. It is not by. That is why we are different in everything. You must begin to understand yourself and to appreciate yourself. Yes, understand yourself to appreciate yourself. How much more? So now, if we have a system like this, as old, as ancient as that, before the
invasion of the British.
Yes, the British came and messed all those things up, killed who they will kill. Now, convince their children, in order, because the army is coming from here. If they catch you, they will conscript you into people that are building railway. All those roads, all these fat road that you see they created as development, it is welcome. But it is through the pains and labor, I'm coming, and labor of our young people. Okay. So if they catch you that you are worshiping the old religion, you understand, the religion of your family, they will kidnap you, they will as in arrest you. Then they will advise you, as in the ones that are staying, to come to church and start catechism. You understand? If you don't complete catechism, they will sanction you. There is trouble for you. So that is why everybody, when you see catechism that time, you understand, and you must baptize, you must change your name. You must have a name, you understand, that is now you see it as above your own native names. You get? Yes. So that is why we have all these foreign names. You get?
John.
Yes. So now the Others, they obliterated the Others. They shamed them. They begin to make them, the society, the community, to see them as dishonorable people. You understand? Yeah. Because those ones are the only pillar. Those ones does not lie. Like I said, they don't lie.